In today's video, I want to show you how to configure Xdebug in the Docker container and in the PhpStorm. So let's go. What do we need to make Xdebug work? First of all, we need to install it in a Docker container. Let's open Docker file and write this command inside Docker file. It install Xdebug. Let's open Docker Compose file and find here PHP services. Here it. Here we need to create environment variable and set to it the value of the PHP IDE underline config. It will be server name equal, for example, shop. It tells PhpStorm which path mapping configuration it should use for a connection from a certain machine. Next, inside the settings of PhpStorm itself, we must repeat the name of the remote server exactly. Don't make a mistake with the case of the name. Also, we need to write this directive, and it defines how a mount point on disk is associated with another mount point in a container. Now we have to create file xdebug.ini. Here it. There are my settings. The most important thing here is the Xdebug client, xdebug.client underscore host equal 172.17.0.1. This parameter tells our Xdebug extension at what address the listener is waiting for us to send debug data. This default value for Linux. You can learn more about other Xdebug parameters in the Xdebug documentation. Now let's configure Xdebug in PhpStorm itself. Go File, Settings, PHP, Debug, Servers, and we add new server. Name shop. One moment, I show. Here it. Server name shop. Settings. Server add new. Shop. Host will be underscore. Yes, and here we write up. It's our current folder in the Docker container. Apply. Okay. Let's test the work of Xdebug. Let's open index.php. Let's put a stop point, for example, here. And click on this button, start listening for PHP debug connection. And also we need to start our project, but first of all I'll stop all Docker containers. Docker stop. Docker pass -a -q. Okay, and start our project. Docker compose up -d. Okay, now we need to write here the domain of the project, my shop online. Okay, everything work. We see that everything work. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video and see you next time.